In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to join a FreshBooks affiliate program. So let's get started. So first of all is that you want to go here into google.com and search for FreshBooks affiliate program. And then you would now have this first result right here from the FreshBooks website itself. So you want to click on that. And then once you have opened that, you will now be able to see here the affiliate program details that you need to know, how it works, and so on. And now once you're ready to proceed, you can now click here on try it free, or click here on join the affiliate program and so on. So I'm going to click here on try it free. And then you will now be prompted to share a sale.com wherein you could join their affiliate program. So in here, you want to understand all of this right here. So you can earn up to 10 USD per free trial, plus up to 200 USD per paid subscriber here in FreshBooks. And now you can click here on join advertisers a win program. And then you'll be prompted in here. And now is that you can now log in and join the program. And if you don't have an account yet, you can always click here on sign up and join program. And from here, you can now click here and sign up. And as you can see, you can use your Instagram for this or continue with Facebook. You could also go for your AWIN right here, or AWIN, and start earning money affiliate marketing today. So depending on what you'd want. So yeah, basically you just need to log in or create your account here in AWIN. And then once it's done is that you will now be able to proceed into your affiliate program dashboard on FreshBooks. And basically you'll get your own link for the affiliate link here on the affiliate program on FreshBooks that you would need to send out into your perspectives. So for example, here, when I go back in here, you should now be able to see that you would now get this much right here on your affiliate referrals. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.